I haven't been able to capture anything thus far on my camera. It is raining pretty hard right now. As you can see, the windshield is getting covered up. But I have seen a couple of lightning strikes over there in that area right there. Hopefully we get some glimpse of it. This is very powerful stuff in here. Come on, give me one good shot. There it goes. I hope I got it. I hope I did. I hope I did. My wiper was kind of in the way right now when that happened. So, oh man. Hi, this is Rob again with Digital Idea Photography, and I haven't gotten a good shot of lightning, but hopefully I've been seeing in this area right here there's some lightning going on. Hopefully I can capture something there. You can hear the rain pounding on the car, so there it goes, there it goes.